Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code. Now, what's Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is a source code editor made by Microsoft. Okay, so we use it to code in any programming language of our choice without having to switch editors. So you can code with PHP, JavaScript, Python on Visual Studio Code. Now I'm going to show you how to install it. So firstly, just go to code.visualstudio.com. Once you get to this website, it brings it here. So we have just come down to download. Okay, so we go down to download here. So you can download Visual Studio Code on any operating system. I'm going to be showing you how to download on Windows. So you can download Mac, Ubuntu, Linux, and the rest. So just come down here, click on this button. Okay, so once you get here, it begins the download. All right, so I already have this, so I'm just going to pause it here. So I'm just going to come down here. All right, where we have it. So just click on the Visual Studio Code, VS Code setup. Just click on it, double click on it. All right, so it takes you to the setup here. Okay, so we have I accept the agreement, so you have to accept this. Okay, so click on next. So create a desktop icon, click on next, then install. I'm not going to install because I already have it here, so just click on this install, and immediately the Visual Studio Code will be installed on your PC. So that's how to install Visual Studio Code. Very simple. I'm sure you have you enjoyed this video. So what you just do for me is that click on the subscribe button and the notification button. You're going to see a lot of my videos which you're going to be learning from. All right, thank you for your time, and bye for now.